Lev, sound of grace. In righteousness you will be established. You will be far from oppression, for you will not fear and from terror, for it will not come near you. Isaiah 54. In righteousness I stand, rooted like a tree by living waters. No shadow or fear may dwell where light has made its home. Oppression fades like mist before the dawn, and terror finds no doorway to enter my soul. For the Holy One clothest me in peace, a garment weaved with threads of promise and grace. My heart rests in the quiet assurance of His word that I am established, unshaken, and beloved. Shalom flows through me, a river eternal, carrying the song of Isaiah's truth. I am far from fear, for His presence is near. Shalom lekulam.